Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the new Makeup Monster Cosmetics Dragon Child palette. This is what the front looks like. I just got this new, maybe like 1 or 2 weeks ago. It's available on makeupmonsterscosmetics.com. That's the only retailer, is their website. Makeup Monster Cosmetics is a very nice indie brand, so that means that they only sell online. They don't sell in stores anywhere. This is their very first palette. It's called Dragon Child, and as you can see, the front is super cute. It's very holographic-y rainbow with all these dragon scales on the front. And the back is the same type of dragon scale rainbow. It's very cute. I absolutely love it. So if you want to see a tutorial on this and my swatches, keep on watching. So first I'm going to be doing swatches of this palette. The first shade I'm going to swatch is this beautiful gold, very pale pink color called Lucky. As you can see, it has kind of like a gold shift to it. It's very beautiful. Really nice inner corner shade. Next shade I'm going to be swatching is Myth or Legend. It's this very beautiful blue based teal color right here. See, it's absolutely stunning and it's so freaking pigmented. I love how beautiful this swatch is. Next shade I'm going to swatch in the palette is Dragon Child. It's this very pale matte shade. It's a seafoam green type of color. As you can see, these are all extremely pigmented. This is very out there for a pale shade, especially kind of like a pastel-y color. It's very nice, and I think it just is perfect in this palette. Next shade I'm going to swatch is Sleeping Dragon. It's like this forest hunter green color. It's absolutely beautiful. Just like that. This is also a matte shade as well. So on the first row you got the shimmer shade. You got 3 mattes. So these 3 together are just a beautiful look you could come up with. It's just absolutely stunning, and they're super pigmented and buttery and soft. So next row we got is the second row. This is Stone Drake. This is the pale mauve-y purple color. Gorgeous. It's stunning. It's beautiful. It's pigmented. I said pigmented about 20 times so far in this video because it's true. These are so pretty, and it's just so soft and so easy to swatch, and they're just such fun, unique colors that you don't really see every day in palettes like that. Next shade I'm going to swatch is Firefly. This is a pure gold color. I'm going to swatch that. This is a shimmer shade. That's what that looks like. As you can see, it's gold in your face, gold. It's gorgeous. I think this would be perfect as like a lid shade, or like the inner corner, or even like the lower lash line. Next shade I'm going to swatch is Flame Tongue. This is like a reddish orange brick brownish color. Looks like right there. Beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. Next shade I'm going to swatch is the Dragon Rider shade. This is a bright, not neon, but it's just bright blue. It's like a nice ocean, pretty blue color, like a royal blue. That's what that looks like. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning. Next, well, this is the last row we got. This is Smoke 'Em Out. This is just a plain like charcoal gray black color. That looks like, it kind of looks like pencil, and I don't know. I'm not really a fan of these type of colors, but that's what that looks like. Next shade I'm going to swatch is Cave Dweller. This is a matte navy blue color. That's what that looks like. Of course, they're extremely pigmented, as per usual. Next shade I'm going to swatch in the bottom row is Worm, W-Y-R-M. That's kind of weird, kind of cute. This is another purple shade. It's different from this purple. This one's very mauve-y, lighter lilac color, and this is a nice like periwinkle purple. I don't know how it's really pretty. It's a very unique color. I like that. It kind of just has like a muted tone to it. It's kind of like a periwinkle. It's really nice. That's what that looks like. And last shade in the palette we're going to swatch is Mother Dragon. This is a dark blood red brick color, and this is also a matte. So the entire bottom row is matte. That looks like. And swatched on the arm like this is absolutely stunning. This whole entire array of colors that I painted on gladly on my arm for you guys. Stunning palette. All of these are pigmented, not one of them swatched badly. So if you guys want to see how I can create a look with this, I will try to figure out what I can do. There's so many different options. I don't know what to do, but we'll figure it out. Keep on watching. Alright, the first shade I'm going to go in with is Dragon Child. That's that seafoam green color. I'm gonna put that as a base in my crease. And as you guys can see, one dip and this brush was absolutely coated. There is a lot of pickup and fallout in this palette, so it's best to do your eyes before you do the rest of your face makeup, just so it doesn't ruin your entire look. Stunning. So that's what that looks like so far. It's very beautiful. Next, I'm going to deeper the outer parts of my crease using the shade Sleeping Dragon, that hunter green color. Just stamp it on the outside of my eye. Just like that, very softly, and then bring it a little bit into the crease, like that. That's what that looks like so far. I think it looks very nice so far. All the colors are blending very, very seamlessly well together. So next I'm going to put on my lid Myth or Legend. I'm gonna go straight in with this color right here, that blue base dark teal color. Yeah, I'm doing it. Put that on my lid. Oh my god. So that's how the eyes are looking right now. They look really good. Of course, very colorful, just like I like it. I'm going to go in with the gold. Gonna put that in the inner thirds of my eye. That's what it looks like. I'm going to just take this brush right here and just blend them together. Just like that. Very, very pretty. Next, I'm going to do the lower lash line. Let's see. I'm trying to use some other palette colors. I'm going to use a very pretty purple worm right here. I'm going to put that in the lower lash line. So this is the eyes right now. I'm going to go clean all the rest of the mess up, put on some other makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with the final look. What I did was I put the Pixi Endless Silky Eye Pen in Velvet Violet. I put this in my waterline, so it went really cohesively with the purple on my lower lash line. I lined that on the tops of my eye, along my top lash line, and stopped at the end. And what I did as I mixed the black and emerald colored Stila liner and mixed those and created a nice short stub wing on the ends, so it really brings out your inner dragon, as you might say. And lastly, I used the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lip in shade L.U.V on my lips. I think that really just brought everything together. I love how this look really turned out. It looks really nice. It looks really pretty. It's unique. This palette is absolutely wonderful. I highly do recommend you go and get this palette off of MakeupMonsterCosmetics.com. This palette does retail for $48 online on their website. So I hope you guys did enjoy my mini review / tutorial of the Dragon Child palette. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!